Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is July 12, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. We're going to start the day off with the S&P 500 E-mini futures, and you're going to see that they have flipped and are flying higher by 16.5 points to the upside to 27.90.5 per contract. So the futures getting a big bid there. And what's the catalyst? Well, I'll tell you what the catalyst is. It's exactly what we've been talking about. It's the Shanghai Composite. Last night, the Shanghai getting a big bid after China announced that they do not want a trade war. And that really is the bottom line. Shanghai up 2% last night, and that is giving the futures here a big lift. So again, China coming out saying they do not fear a trade war, but they really don't want one. So again, you're seeing the market fly higher here on the back of that news, and really that's all it takes. You have the S&P 500 E-mini futures up 16.5 points ahead of the opening bell. NASDAQ futures up 44 points before the opening bell. So that's really all it takes, and you're seeing this market catch a pretty sizable bid this morning. Now, this doesn't mean the problems are going to go away. This doesn't mean the tariffs are going to go away. This just means maybe there's a chance for a settlement, and you see the markets rejoicing over it temporarily. So we'll see how this all plays out, but that's really all it comes down to. All right, we're going to take a look at stocks in the news. That's where we're going to try to focus today. Delta Airlines on focus first. They reported earnings. Stock closed at $49.84 yesterday. Let's get over to the intraday morning chart, and what you're going to see here, stock is trading at $50.76 at the moment. So good little pop there for Delta. I happen to think that the low probably is in. I just don't think it's going to go that far, that fast anytime soon. But nice little move for Delta Airlines. That could give a slight lift to the other airlines. But again, American was hit hard yesterday on some guidance news. Today that's trading up a little bit. You have Southwest Airlines, which has really been beaten down to a pulp. That's getting a little bit of a bid today. And then you have United Airlines, United Continental, trading up just a touch from the close yesterday. So again, we'll keep airlines in focus. If oil starts to slide, though, I do believe these airlines all become very good buying opportunities. And yesterday we did see a big slip in crude. All right, let's take a look at CA. They are going to be bought out by Broadcom. Stock is trading at $44 a share. That's pretty much the buyout price. And again, Broadcom buying out CA. So not much we could do with CA, but there is something we could do with AVGO, which is Broadcom. Right now, that stock is trading at $211.60 on the news. It closed yesterday, I believe, at $243. So I'm going to be working on some levels here. I don't have them done yet, but I'm hoping to get something done on Broadcom. That is slipping pretty nicely today on that takeover news. Let's go over to Costco, C-O-S-T. Costco right now trading at $212.33, closed at $210.95. Looks like this stock is up on same-store sales comps. Again, when I look at the name right now, I think maybe around 213.75 to 214 is the big resistance level. So keep that on the radar for later today. Let's take a look at Twitter, TWTR. I forget the news here exactly, but the stock is catching a good bid. It closed at $43.87, now trading at $45. So Twitter getting a little bit of a rebound back to the upside. There's going to be intraday resistance probably around 45.60, so keep that on the radar today. Let's move over to Nflx. Nflx is the ticker symbol here. It looks like they received a downgrade. Stock traded at $418.65 yesterday, trading at $415.93 today. So a little bit of a haircut, but again, nothing damaging for Nflx just yet. Let's take a look at PRGO, Pergo. Looks like this here name has been downgraded. Stock is trading at $75.60. Closed at $77.72. Again, still a lot of support around $72 if from what I can see. Nothing much I would do with this name just yet. Let's take a look at LB. It looks like this is getting hit this morning. This is L Brands trading at $34.20. Closed at $36.77. This looks like it's down on June comps. The only level, I'm not even really seeing a great level. Bear with me here. Yeah, let's leave this one alone for the moment. If it gets down to around $30 or Pierce of 30, I like it there. Nothing I would do before then with this name. Let's take a look at Zoomies. ZUMIES. MZ. And this stock is getting hit on June comps as well, trading at 22.70, closed at 23.60. So we'll look at this one a little bit closer once the opening bell rings. I'm not seeing much here. This could actually go down to 21.50 before I see any real support. So let's keep that on the radar and we'll see how it plays out. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is flat today, trading at $1,244 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, which is good gold ETF that tracks the movement, you'll see that's trading at 117.91. Nothing to do there. Gold has been weak as of late. Let's go over now to the crude oil market, which is trading up by about 46 cents to $70.84 a barrel. Crude was hammered yesterday. Let's go to the USO, which is a good oil ETF. You'll see that's trading at 14.43. Up a little bit from 14.31 close, so that's getting a little bit of an uptick. Oil was really hit hard yesterday, and again, lots of in the money stocks members benefiting there. What I will say though is we got to watch oil today and see if we get any kind of follow through to the downside. If that happens, then oil could be in a real tizzy here. But if it doesn't, then oil still is trying to fight and hold trend. So again, it's going to be very, very important to see oil over the next couple of days. All right, we had a great day in the chat room yesterday. Another great day is expected today. So if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Trade right alongside of us. We got good action out here. Earnings season is about to kick off tomorrow with the bank stocks. And then don't forget, next week we go into full-fledged earnings where we'll get lots of pre-morning gap plays and lots of action even before the opening bell. So with that being said, everybody have a great, great session. And if you haven't done so, come on over and take that 7-day free trial. With that being said, we'll see you all on the charts.